this is Fatima from Crochet Lovers. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you some basic stitches of crochet. So guys, let's begin. Here I have my yarn, okay, it's a peachy color, and here I have my crochet hook. It is, as you can see, 3.5 millimeters. Okay, so if you're a beginner, so you can use this type of hook. Let's begin with a slip knot. It's like yarn over and pull this section with this, like this, and take your crochet hook and insert it, and here we have our slip knot. Okay, then always you have to start with chains. It's like this, yarn over, pull it through, and here we go with the chain. Okay, so you can do as many as you want, like 2 chains or this. Okay, yarn over and pull through. Oh my god, yeah. So we have 3 chains. Okay, so now you learn how to make a slip knot and chain. Okay, so we have single crochet. Okay, and this is how it works. Like, you have to make a slip knot as I shown you, like this. Pull it and insert your crochet hook in this. Okay, and then chain whatever number you want. Like, I'm now chaining 3 times. Like, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, so then now you have to do one, insert your hook, the second chain from the hook, like this. This is first and this is the second. Okay, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through this, and then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2. Okay, this is how it works. Like for another one, I have to do this. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so yeah. We have magic circle or magic ring. So this is how it works. You have to take your yarn and then wrap it around your finger twice. Okay, and then take your crochet hook, then insert your hook through the first loop and then pull the second loop through it. Okay, this is how. Okay, then take this loop out of your finger. Okay, then work in this. Okay, like you have to do anything like single crochets, like anything you can do in it, like this. Oh my god, and grab this with your fingers. Okay, like this, then this. You can do anything in it, like, okay, so you can, with this yarn, this one, you can, if you pull it, then the circle will become shorter. Okay, so yeah,